Hey, my name is Bo Bowman. I'm with Bowman Brothers Construction. John Bowman is hiding behind the camera, but that's okay. Today we just wanted to quickly talk about what a tape measure is, how to use a tape measure, and the different forms of tape measures. So first of all, we're going to go over our classic tape measures. This is a 16 foot. They come in different sizes. Here is 25 foot. That's probably your most common one. And then 30 foot. Okay, so of course 16 foot goes 16 feet, 25 foot goes 25 feet, 30 goes 30 feet. Okay, here's our different type. It's like a rolling tape measure. This is used usually for measuring longer distances, whatever it may be. It's got a hook on the end. We use it for fences. So one person will stand at the end or hook it onto a post and we'll walk it out. So that's your 100-foot tape that we use. This one's kind of unique. You're usually going to use this if you are trying to get the square foot of a wall, so you'll measure from the floor to the ceiling, wall to wall, things like that, or maybe an area of a room. We can show how that works later on. Okay, so now we're going to go over how to read a tape measure. We're just going to do the examples on this 16 foot, but everything translates over. We'll probably do one little video on that as well, or section. Okay, so we'll get over to that. So how to read your tape. I'm going to show you on my 16 foot tape measure. Okay, you open it up, you got numbers, lines of different sizes. What are they? Numbers represent the inches, okay? But this is probably what you want to know more so, is what do these lines mean? Well, you have 4 different size lines. We're going to start from the biggest line, which is your 1/2 inch. So it would be written out as a fraction, 1/2, okay? And you're going to go over to the next size down, which is your 1/4 inch. That's going to be written out as 1/4. And you go down to your next size, 1/8. Okay, that's your next size down. And your smallest size, or shortest line, is 1/16. Okay, so those are the lines broken down. But okay, we're gonna go, let's say we want to measure out to 5.5. Look at it. Where do you think that is? We go to our 5.5 right there. We're gonna do a few more demonstrations, but on a piece of wood, so you can see it more clearly. So taking what we just heard and learned from the last video, we're just going to do some examples. Let's say 8.5. Okay, look at it, pause the video if you need to, pick which one. Okay, we're going to go 8.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then half of that. So right here, the bigger one, we're just going to make a mark. Boom. Here's your 8.5. Okay. Let's say we want to do 6 3/4. Okay. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So these lines, remember, they're quarter lines. And then this is actually, so that's something else. Of course, this is going to be a quarter, because 1, 2, 2 quarters make a half. Then you go 3/4, you're right there. Okay, so that's going to be a mark. 6 3/4, right there on that mark. All right. Let's say we want to do 10 1/8. 10 1/8. Can you spot that one? Okay. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 1/8. Okay. It's your next line size down, but there's only 1/8. Okay. That's going to be our mark. Okay. Now let's go down to the 16th. Let's do one with the 16th. Focus on the numbers I'm saying. Here we go. 4 and let's say 15/16. Okay? 4 and 15/16. Okay? Of course, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 16ths. 15/16. The easiest way, I mean, once you learn how to use the tape, it'll be faster. But the easiest way, if you're just now learning, you can literally count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's our small mark. Okay, so those are some of the very basics. I guess reading a tape measure is fairly basic once you understand it. So yeah, we'll just do a few more on a larger piece of wood so you can have a better idea or understanding what it looks like with longer measurements. So we'll scoot over to that. We want to cut this board 53, I don't know, let's say 53 3/4. Okay, grab our tape measure, go down, so we find 53. It's our first number we're hearing, and then we hear 3/4. Okay, can you find that one? Where is that located? Right here. We make our mark. 53 3/4. Okay. We're gonna do one more measurement. Okay, let's do 70 5/8. Okay. Throw it out. This is the cut we need, right? We find our 70. Okay, 5/8. Now we find 5/8. Okay, that's gonna be 3, 4, 5/8. Okay, right there on that mark. 70 5/8. You make your cut. All right, so I think that pretty much wraps everything up with the tape measures. Let us know if you learned something. Let us know if you want to see more videos like this. Let us know if we missed anything. You can follow our Facebook page at Bowman Brothers Construction LLC. And if you like these videos, give us a like, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.